Hello beautiful viewers, and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. And in today's video we are going to be discussing crypto loans and how you can use your Binance account to get crypto loans from Binance exchange. Crypto loans gives you the ability to use your cryptocurrency as a collateral to get loans from your broker, and in this case being Binance. And it's very easy to use your Binance app to do this. All you need to do is launch your Binance app, and when you're in the home screen like this, you see the more option here. You just click on more, and there are a lot of options here that you can play around with. And in the course of making more Binance videos, we'll be treating a lot of these options, but for today we're talking about crypto loans. So we scroll all the way down until we find crypto loans. So yeah, you can see it here in the finance section. Yeah, so you can just click on crypto loans. So if you're a first timer, it gives you all of this information. You see collateral coins enjoy staking income at the same time. BNB collateral counted as holdings. VIP enjoy interest discounts, different things. Now you can start borrowing. All right, so having clicked on start borrowing, you can see the interface is very easy, and no long talks, just go straight to the point. And what do you want to borrow, and what is your collateral amount, and how long do you want to borrow? You can see very easy. So right here I want to borrow let's say Aptos, and my collateral amount, let's say my USDT, and I choose to max out. Binance is able to lend me 14 APT with a collateral USDT amount of 197, and my loan to value ratio, that's the LTV, is 65%, and my loan term is 7 days. Now the hourly interest rate is 0.004%, and the daily interest rate is 0.1%, and the total interest amount is 0.1 APT coins. Now the risk level is if LTV, that's the loan to value ratio, reaches 83%, or USDT slash APT price reaches 8 cents, 0.08, your collateral would be sold to repay the debt. Now what does this simply mean? If APT price reaches 8 cents, Binance is going to sell your total 197 USDT for them to be able to repay back your loan. So it's very simple as that. And if all of these parameters are fine by you, and if you're okay, you just click on the I've read and agreed to the terms and services, and then you confirm it. But I'm not ready to borrow, so I'm not going to confirm this. But if you want to do this, it is this simple, very easy. You just click on confirm, and then it takes you to the next part where APT will be borrowed, and the USDT will be kept, until you are able to repay back your loan and the interest. So this is very simple, and you can use this if you're in deep need to loan from your broker or from Binance. And always do well to understand the parameters around using crypto loans before you even indulge in it, because if the prices go against you, your collateral might and will be sold to repay back your debts. So this is all about crypto loan. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you.